Today we learn 5 important food words from the grains and bread family: bread, rice, pasta, cereal, and flour. These words help you talk about everyday meals and cooking. Grains are a basic part of food around the world. Bread is a basic food made from flour, water, and yeast. People eat bread every day with meals or alone. It comes in many shapes like slices, loaves, or rolls. Bread is soft inside with a crispy outside. Rice is a small white grain cooked with water until soft. It is a main food in Asia and many countries. Pasta is long or short shapes made from flour and water. Both rice and pasta mix well with sauces and vegetables. Cereal is dry food made from grains, eaten with milk for breakfast. It comes in sweet or plain flavors. Flour is fine white powder from ground grains. Flour makes bread, cakes, and pasta when mixed with water. Bread sounds like bread. Press lips together for BR sound. Make a short E like in bed. End with D sound. Practice slowly. BRED, say it 3 times. Bread, bread, bread. Now say it fast. Rice sounds like R ice. Start with R like in red. Make long I sound like in my. End with S sound. Practice R ice. Say it 3 times. Rice, rice, rice. Remember the long I sound. Pasta sounds like pasta. Start with PAH like father. Short S sound. End with tuh. Stress first part, PA sta. Practice pasta. Say it 3 times. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Cereal sounds like seer e ool. First part like see her. Then AE sound. End with ool. Stress first part, seer e ool. Practice slowly. Say it 3 times. Cereal, cereal, cereal. Flour sounds like flour. Start with FL like fly. Ow sound like now. End with ER. Same sound as the flour you see in gardens. Practice. Flour equals flour. Say it 3 times. Review all 5 words with sounds. Bread is bread. Rice is R ice. Pasta is pasta. Cereal is seer e ool. Flour is flour. Practice saying each word 3 times. You now know grains and bread vocabulary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.